26. Growth of apical buds suppressing lower axillary bud is apical dominance. Option C is correct. Apical dominance. MCQs number 27. In chick fertilization is internal. Option A is correct. Internal. 28. Incubation temperature for chick is 36 to 38 degrees centigrade. Option C is correct. 20. After providing 36-38 temperature, chick egg is hatched on 21st days. Option D is correct. 21 days. Which one is incorrect? Apoplast is presumptive mesoderm. Option C is incorrect for 30. 31. The peripheral part of blastoderm making contact with yolk is called area opaca. Option opaca. B is correct. Area opaca. 32. Cavity formed between somatic and planktonic mesoderm is column. Option C is correct. Column. 33. Mechanism of development was explained by both A and B, hence Dietrich and Spearman. Option C is correct. Which statement is correct about gray crescent? Option D. A pigment-free area that appear at time of fertilization. Option D is correct. Which statement is incorrect? Yellow cytoplasm gives rise to gut is incorrect. Option B is incorrect. 36. Acetabularia crenulata has irregularly shaped cap. Option A is correct. Which statement is correct? Mesoderm cells to stimulate ectodermal cell to form the nerve system. Option B is correct. 38. Negative physiological change in our body are called aging. Option B is correct. Aging. Study of aging is called option C, gerontology. Option C is correct. MCQs number 40. The ability to regain or recover the lost of injured part of body is called regeneration. Option B is correct. Regeneration. MCQs number 41. Among invertebrate, who possesses the great power of regeneration? Sponges. Option C is correct. Sponges. Which statement is incorrect? Lizard can regenerate its head. Option C is incorrect statement. Growth is basically an increase in number of cells, size of cells. Option B is correct. Option C, both A and B is correct. Stage of rapid cell division just after fertilization is cleavage. Option B is correct. Cleavage. German scientist Spearman worked on differentiation in 1924. Option A is correct. Inducer substances are produced by notochord. Option A is correct. Notochord. What is feature of cell in gastrulation. Migration. Option B is correct. Migration. The vertebral column is formed from mesoderm. Option C is correct. Mesoderm. Liver and pancreas arise from foregut. Option A is correct. Hemophilia is excessive bleeding due to defect genes on the sex chromosome. Option A is correct.